Welcome to this channel. Before start, please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get regular tips and tricks for designing. In this video, learn video editing step by step. First, open the video editing software, click on the Edit Video option, select New Project. Interface of the software. Timeline, the imported video will display here. Effects and toolbar on the left-hand side. Import video and images in our project. Click on Add Media File. Select the folder which you want to import images or video from. Select images and videos. Click on this Open button. Here are your rough video and images. We will remove the audio and unwanted parts from the video. To remove the audio, right-click on here and click on Detach Audio and select the audio from the audio track and delete it. Let's delete some parts from the video. For delete unwanted part from video, we split the video. Select and click on the delete icon. Import music in our project. To import a music, click on this My File option, click on Add Media Files, select the folder which you want to import music from. Select a music file and click on this Open button. We will crop an image and rotate it. Click on this icon, then scroll here. Click on this Crop and Rotate option, crop image as you want. Rotate from here. Here is your exact image. Increase brightness and color adjustment. Click on this icon, then scroll here. Click on this color adjustment option. Click on Manual Adjustment. From here you can adjust everything like brightness, contrast, saturation, shadow, highlights, etc. Use of pan and zoom option. Click on this icon, then scroll here. Click on this pan and zoom option. Click on the first option and click on Add. Adjust the first and last point. You can watch how the video is zooming. Add transitions between two parts of videos and images. Click on this transition icon. You can check the transition effects. Drag this effect and drop between two videos. I will add some other effects. Add a title in the project. Click on this title icon. You can check the title type here. drag this effect and drop in the title track. You can change the position of the title like this. We'll select and change the title. Change the font from here. Change the size. The alignment. Change font color. Export the project as a video. For export, click on this export button. After you will get this window, here you and choose video format. Video quality. Click on the start button. Click on the open button. Here is your final video. Friends, how was this video? Do you think this video helps your friends and family members? If yes, then please share this with them. Thanks for connecting, liked, subscribed, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.